Hi students, welcome to my class. Dear students, in the previous classes we are discussing the exercise 3.5. Okay, today we are going to discuss the next exercise 3.6. The first question is, this is the last exercise for this chapter. Okay, the first question is 8x minus of 3 whole upon 3x is equal to 2. So in the previous classes they are given in the general form only, they are given, we have to find out the x value. But here they are given not in the general, they are not given in the general form, they are given in the complex form. So we have to reduce in the form of ax is equal to b, ax plus b is equal to 0. In that form we have to reducible of these equations. So let us find out. The first equation is 8x minus of 3 whole upon 3x is equal to 2. So this is the equations. We have to find out the x value. Very simple, students. So in that LHS and the RHS is there. In the LHS nothing, in the RHS is 2 is there, nothing is there, means 1 is there. So we have to do cross multiplications. Okay. So 1 you have to multiply by 8x minus 3, it becomes 8x minus 3 only. So 1 you have to multiply, it is only you have to result. So 3x into 2. So 3 2s are 6x. 3x into 2. Otherwise you have to write another one time. 3x into 2. Okay. So 8x minus of 3 have to write it. So 3 2s are 6x. Now 8x have to keep here only. 6x have to send here, minus 6x. And minus 3 have to send to the RHS, it becomes plus 3. 8x plus minus of 3x, it is equal to 2x is equal to 3. So therefore x is equal to 3 by 2. The value of x is 3 by 2. Do you understood? This is the solutions of this equation. X is equal to 3 by 2. The next question was second. So 9x whole upon 7 minus of 6x. 7 minus of 6x. It is equal to 15. Okay. Here also same have to do it. Very simple. Nothing is there with 1. You have to cross multiply that. So 1 into 9x only. It is equal to 15 into 7 minus of 6x. 9x have to write as it is. So 15 have to multiply by 1 times 7 and 15 again have to multiply by 6x. So 15 into 7, 15 7s are 105. So plus into minus minus, 15 6s are 90x. So 90x you have to send here, it becomes plus 90x. So this is 9x, it is equal to 105. Okay. So 9x into 1 9x. 15 into 7 minus of 6x, 15 into 7, 15 7s are 105, plus into minus minus, 15 6s are 90x. Next minus 90x you have to send here, plus 90x, this is equal to minus plus 9x, so remaining is 105. 90 plus 9, 99x, it is equal to 105. Therefore x is equal to 105 whole upon 99. Therefore, so this number is going from 3 3s are 9. So 3 3s are 9, remaining 3 5s are 15. So what is the remaining here? Therefore x is equal to 35 by 33. Are you understood? So like this you have to solve it. The next question number 3. So what is that? Z divided by z plus 15. It is equal to 4 by 9. This is also same procedure. So we have to cross multiply that. 9 into z, 9z is equal to 4 into z, 4 into z plus 15. Then 9z, it is equal to 4 into z, 4z plus 15 4s are 60. 4z have to send here, it become 9z have to write here only. So minus 4z, it is equal to 60. 9z minus of 4z, it becomes 5z, it is equal to 60. Therefore z is equal to 60 upon 5. So 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. So the remaining z is equal to 12. Therefore z is equal to 12. So these are the solutions of the given equations. So next one question number 4. This solution you have to write in your notes. Okay students, I will not give the notes for this exercise. So you have to copy to the in your notes. Okay. So question number fourth one. 3y plus 4 whole upon 2 minus of 6y, it is equal to 3y plus 4 whole upon 2 minus of 6y is equal to minus 2 by 5. Minus 2 by 5. This is also same cross multiplication. So 5 into, anyone have to multiply first. Okay. This one or this one, anyone. So I will do this one. 5 into 3, 15. Otherwise 5 into 3y plus of 4. We have to multiply 3y plus 4 into 5, and it is equal to minus 2 into 2 minus of 6y. Next, we have to multiply 5 to 3y and 5 to 4. So 5 3 is 15y. So plus 5 4 is 20. 5 4 is 20. It is equal to, so minus nothing is there is plus, minus into plus minus 2 2 is 4, then minus into minus plus 2 6 is 12y, then 15y have to write in the LHS only, 12y have to send here, it become minus 12y, and it is equal to minus 4 have to write as it is, plus 20 have to send here, it become minus 20, 15y minus of 12y, it is equal to 3y, is equal to minus 4 minus 20, it is become minus 24, therefore y is equal to minus 24 whole upon 3, 3 1s are, 3 8s are, therefore y is equal to minus 8. Understood? Next question number 5. So what is that question number 5? 7y plus 4. 7y plus 4 whole upon y plus 2. It is equal to minus 4 by 3. So we have to cross multiply that. So 3 into 7y plus 4, it is equal to minus 4 into y plus 2. Okay. Next, 3 7s are 21y plus into plus 3 4s are 12. Then it is equal to minus 4y, and minus into plus minus 4 2s are 8. Then 21y have to keep in the LHS, and 4y have to send minus 4 into it become plus 4y is equal to minus 8 have to write in the RHS, plus 12 have to send here become minus 12. So 21 plus of 4 25y, it is equal to minus 8 minus 12, it become minus 20. Therefore y is equal to minus 20 whole upon 25. Therefore 5 4s are 5, 5s are, therefore y is equal to minus 4 by 5. Understood? So like this we have to solve like these problems. Okay. So next we will go to the word problems. The two word problems are there. So we have to solve it, that word problems. So read the question number 6. The ages of Hari and Harry are in the ratio 5:7. So Hari and the Harry age, that they are given the ratio. Ages of the ratio, what is that? 5:7 are the present ages. 4 years from now, I mean 4 years after, the ratios of their ages will be 3:4. 4 years after, the ages ratio how much become 3:4. Find their present ages. Okay, let me have to make the one table. See, this is Hari, this is Harry. Okay. See, present age. Present. This is name. After 4 years. 4 years from now. 4 years after. 4 years after. Okay. See, present ages, they are given in the ratios. What is the ratio? Present ages ratio 5:7. That means Hari is to Harry. So what is the ratio? 5:7 is nothing but, so with this one we have to multiply by x. It becomes 5x and 7x. 5x age is Hari and Hari age is 7x. Therefore, this is 5x age is Hari age and 7x age is Hari age. After 4 years, 4 years ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ, for example, ಈಗ 10 years ಇದ್ರೆ, ಈಗ Hariಗೆ 10 years ಇದ್ರೆ, after 4 years after, how many years old are you? Old are Hari? 14 years. Correct. Present age is 10 years. After 4 years, it becomes 14. If present age is 20, after 4 years, 24. Like that. What we have to do? Addition by 4. So that's why. So Hari, the present age is 5x. After 4 years, 5x plus 4. Then Hari present age is 7x. After 4 years, 7x plus 4. Okay. Now next, 4 years from now, 4 years from now, their ages, their ages. 4 years from now, the ratios of their ages, the ratio of their ages will be how much become 3:4. Correct? 3:4. Yes, 3:4. Yes, students. After 4 years, what is the Hari ages is 5x plus 4 and 7x plus 4. So we have to write in the ratio form. After 4 years, Hari age is 5x plus 4 whole upon 7x plus 4. This is in the ratio form. The ratio form I will write in the form of what? Fraction form. So it is equal to will be. So 4 years from now, the ratios of their ages. What is the ratios of their ages after 4 years? 5x plus 4 whole upon 7x plus 4. This ratio will be 3:4. Is nothing but 3/4. Okay. Next we have to solve it. So we have to cross multiply that. Like that first main questions. See, 4 into 7x. Otherwise 7x plus 4 into 3. 5x plus 4 into 4. So therefore 7x plus 4 into 3 or 3 into 7x plus 4. Okay, it is equal to 4 into 5x plus 4. Next, 7 3s are 3 7s are 21x plus 3 4s are 12. It is equal to 4 5s are 20x. Then plus into plus plus 4 4s are 16. Now 20x you have to send here, plus 12 you have to send to the RHS. So it becomes 21x. I will write down here 21x minus 20x. It is equal to, see, 20x I will send to the LHS, plus 12 I will send to the RHS. So minus 20x I will return that. So next is equal to remaining is 16 plus 12. If it is in the come to the RHS, it will become minus 12. Then 21x minus of 20x, it will become x is equal to 16 minus of 12, it will become 4. The value of x is 4. But we want to calculate what we have to find out. Find their present ages. What is the present ages here? 5x and 7x. So present age of Hari, it is equal to, what is the present ages is 5x. It is equal to 5 into what is an x is equal to 4. Therefore 5 4s are 20 years. Okay. So the ages of the Hari is 20 years. Like that, Hari age, what is the present ages of Hari? 7x is equal to 7 into what is the x value? 4. 7 4 what? 28 years. Okay. So let me verify that. So present ages is 20:28. What is the ratios of present ages ratio? 5:7. Is it right? See, I will in the simplest form 20:28. I will write in the ratio form. It one have to simplify that. 4 5s are and 4 7s are. Correct? So therefore 5:7. Is it right? This is the present ages of the ratios. After 4 years, the ratio will be 3:4. Correct? So after 4 years, now the Hari age is 20 years. After 4 years, 24. Hari present ages is 28 years. After 4 years, 32 years. So right now you have to write in the ratio form. So this is 8 3s are 8 4s are, therefore 3:4. This is the ratios of the after 4 years ages. Is it right? So our answer is correct. Understood? So like this you have to verify that. This one you need not to write this. Up to this one you have to write it. So next, last question number 7. Yes, the denominator of a rational number is greater than its numerator by 8. See, one rational number is there, p by q form. Rational number is nothing but the number is in the form of p by q. P means numerator, d means denominator. In the denominator is greater than numerator. Denominator numerator ಗಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ? 8 ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ. Numerator ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? No, we don't know. That's why let the numerator be x. Suppose numerator is 10 ಇದ್ರೆ denominator ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ 8 ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. I mean 18 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. I don't know the numerator. First of all, numerator only we don't know. That's why let the numerator be x and the denominator is x plus 8. 8 ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay. Next, see, let the numerator is numerator be x and denominator be x plus 8. Okay, denominator is greater than numerator by 8. That's why x plus 8. Next, after that, if the numerator is increased by 17 and the denominator is decreased by 1, then the number is obtained by 3 by 2. See students, I will write in the numerator. Numerator, what is that numerator? This is x by, what is the denominator? X plus 8. It is equal. Then if the numerator is increased, increased by 17. That's why I will add to the plus 17. Add numerator to 17. Increased means plus, decreased means minus. The next, and decreased the numerator. Denominator is decreased by 1. Denominator, what is there here? X plus 8. We have to decrease by 1. That's why minus 1. Decrease means minus, increased means plus. Then this rational number is obtained. See, and the number is obtained is 3 by 2. So if you are add 17 to the numerator and if you are subtract to the 1 by the denominator, then the rational number will be, it becomes 3 by 2. Is it right? 3 by 2. So now we have to find out the, what is that? Rational number. What is the rational number? Original rational number we have to write. See, first of all you have to simplify that. X plus 17 I will write as it is right now. X plus 8 minus 1, it become plus 7. It is equal to 3 by 2. So now we have to cross multiply that. So what it become? 3 into x plus 7. It is equal to 2 into x plus 17. Now 3x plus 7 3s are 21. 2x plus of 2 17s are 17 2s are 34. This is 2 into x, 2x plus into plus 2 into 17, 34. 3 into x, 3x plus into plus 3 7s are 21. Now 3x I will write in the LHS. I will send to the LHS. 2x is sent to the LHS. It becomes minus 2x and 34 have to write in the RHS. Plus 21 have to send to the RHS. It becomes minus 21. Therefore 3x minus of 2x it becomes x. It is equal to 34 minus of 21. How much? 30. So x is equal to 30. 4 minus of 1 3. 3 minus of 2 is 1. Therefore x is equal to 13. But what we have to calculate? Find the rational number. So what is the rational number here? See, first of all, x plus 18. This is the rational number, correct? It is equal to, x means what? 13 whole upon, x means 13 plus, this is 18. Sorry, x plus 8, not 18, this is 8. X plus 8. Therefore, 13 upon 13 plus 8, how much? 21. Therefore 30 by 21. This is the rational number. Therefore the rational number is x upon x plus 18 is equal to 13 upon 13 plus 8 आएगा, अगर 13 upon 13 plus 8 is equal to 21. You understood? Yes. Next. So like this you have to solve it. This is finished for this exercise number 3.6. So okay students, this is the exercise will be completed and also chapter will be completed. So this chapter is very important. Please practice in your home. All exercise problems you have to practice in your home. It is help for you in the next 9th and 10th standard. Okay, so you have to practice in your home. Okay, if you have any doubts, have to send to my WhatsApp number, so I will solve it. Okay student, we have to discuss next classes, we have to discuss the next new lessons. Okay, thank you.